Hello, good morning, everyone. Good morning to Forex Black Box channel. I'm gonna start the day by looking at the news. Um, Here we got some news at 10 a.m. London time. Euro news looks positive, really positive news. Quite interesting. Um, very high expectation on the EW economy sentiment, which is good. But this is really low impact news, so there's no big deal here. There's no big deal about this, so it's nothing really. But it looks like it's strong. What's coming up is CAD and OZ later on today. There's nothing else today but this. We still have the Japan news. There's no any reading for it, so yeah, we'll see in a price how that actually played. Look at the stock. You can see the stock S&P. It's quite green today. However, yesterday was a red day. I'll show you on the charts shortly. But it looks like technology, it's green and holding well. Finance as well, looking all right. Services is down. That's an indication of stock can go down soon. The world stock itself looks okay. China come green again, but Aussie is weak for some reason because of US stock. As you can see here, that's US stock. That's Canada. It looks down. Um, yeah, globally looks 50-50. Not big deal here. Let's just jump in here quickly to the. Okay, let's get this. Everyone can hear me, I guess. Good morning, everyone. If you have any question, please leave it in the chat room, the chat box, so I can answer you. Um, that's yesterday's stock, S&P 500, and the day was red as I expected when I talked about it earlier in the day. The next day, I said it's gonna go down, show some pullback like this one. Yesterday actually went down, but didn't actually come back up, so stay flat. I don't have the reading of today yet of the data. It's not coming out yet, so probably it's gonna open later on Eastern time, 9:30. I'm not sure what time it's gonna open, but there is no reading for me coming through to from TradingView. But it's definitely the market is open, so let's have a look here. What happened anyway yesterday? As you can see, Monday we had a nice pullback all the way. We broke the previous day low. We almost 50% of the previous the day before Thursday. So maybe today we're gonna see some push and continuation to this move down, at least to this support, the top of this red candle. That's where I'm going. I know not much of you do this, but it's very important to look at the stock, how the stock doing. That's related to any market. You should look at it's the U.S. stock. It's moving the market. So if you look here, well, that's what I'm waiting for to come back, bounce from here, show some rotation, pull back, then continuation, maybe down or up. We will see what direction it will take. We're just waiting for today data. I don't have it here yet. Um, the dollar index, you can see that we broke the trend line and we come back right inside yesterday. Today look like we open with a gap, and this gap pushed down. Probably I expect that to continue up to this red candle here. The price it will be 97.45. That's the points available, and that's about 10 point. If you go down lower, then we expected this position to this move to continue back down here. Probably is going to go a little bit lower since we had here. So we have one high lows, then maybe we're going to go like this. We'll break this, bounce, and we'll come back down again to make some kind of support here. We have one, two, probably going to do the third one here. We're going to come rotating, continue back up, retest here, and see how they're going to play. I expect this move before previous I said about how many spike 1, 2, 3, 4, 50-day fake out break in. If you notice this box, we'll play, then we'll break, come back up, break higher, then probably gonna do this. We'll see how to play, how it's going to play. That's a daily. It's a big candle. So you look down to the low time frame, you will find out more details. Uh, Gold, as you can see, gold really pushed be above this level. Yesterday I was not trading at all. Yesterday I didn't even my computer much really. It was US off, and I left my position running on Forex. So we hit this area, this level. If I go to the low time frame, which is what I was waiting for, that was the level I was waiting for. The spike low here, we didn't even touch it yet really. Stock showing some low momentum going on, so down momentum going on. So I expect the gold to hold here. Let's see, we're still on the green support area. Basically we broke, come back, retest. What I'm waiting for now to see holding here, and I would like to see it coming back to break this high, then I will be jumping long to continue to test the 1600. That's my goal. That's what I'm waiting for. Since the stock is going down, that safe haven, probably that's the data related to today's stock. Probably pull back and continue. Let's give you another discount here after the breakout. I know that looks strong, red, red, red. Let me just zoom in. Did I make it bigger? No. There you go. Second, guys. I'm looking to the hourly. We see 4 hours here is like nothing. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have another 4 hours. 1, 2, 3, probably 4. Come back. It's going to be this 4 hours coming back and retreat it back up. Hopefully, we'll see that happen today. So I have 1 hour down, and the next 4 hours probably will come back up to this area. And from here, we will see where it will like to go from here. Probably will come back up here, retest or break. So if it start to retest, start to lose momentum, then wait for the next session, which is probably up. Then we will start to build our position up move. That's what I think is going to happen. We just have to wait for it. After that breakout, we'll come back, retest at one candle. That's a lot of profit taking here. Then we will see that if that wanted to actually continue up or it'll give you rotation and continue back down. We'll confirm that by breaking this 4 hour after green candle. Unless if it's going down another red candle, wait for another green candle to show you some pullback. If it's not, we're going to see a bigger candle to break this area all together and continue back up here. Right. Dollar yen, you see, is holding at this level. At this level here, we look at 4 hour. Let me look at daily, be clearer. So that's the day, the NFP day. That's the red day NFP. That's the NFP. We have a green day later on. Then after that, we kind of stopped here, consolidate at this area. We didn't really test the high resistance yet. We just kind of hovering around it. It's like, you know, probably going to do that at one point. Watch out for this because I don't see any stronger momentum to the downside, you know. So we have to kind of wait for it. And yeah, just a second. Yeah. So I'm kind of waiting for more confirmation of this pullback. So we have one day here. You can stay on the side, watch it, wait for the next day to break that low of that day. Then we're gonna continue down to that trend line, do a small bounce and continue down lower. If DAXI going down and index going down as well. So watch out for this too. Um, Silver, no. So bound, I still long on bound and still validated this. This is still valid pattern. Still on the play. Because nothing's gonna work at the first time. It has to kind of show you some bumps on the road and so on. So we had the first push, come back. We tried to break the low, we didn't. We break the day. It was trying to push down, so we took all the stop losses of the shorter guys, and we going higher for this level. So what happened here? What above this level is a lot of stop loss will be taken, and that will actually push the price higher. So every time we break a level, He can push higher. Medium level like this one, and it's gonna speed up between here to here. There's not gonna be much of gaps because whoever we're waiting here, stop loss. So that stop loss been taken out, he's gonna obviously move his stop loss halfway, and as soon as they come halfway to this area, it's gonna just keep going. So if that happened, then we're gonna see pound really. If that happened today, if we try to break this high today, probably the next session morning, we're gonna see that pound all the way up here in no time, in two green candles, one, two. So watch out for that. Today is Tuesday, the Monday green, Tuesday hopefully it's green, and we'll continue. I'm still green on a trade. I already add more on Friday. I open one more position to add my original position here. So I'm one position here. So basically I'm one here long and a second long here. So far I'm in profit. I already long twice. I took that position previously from here, took my profit on Thursday, and on Friday I re-longed again, and I'm now here again. So I'm double my double side coin for me. So that's how you play the trade. If you think that you have a good trade and pound go and lose momentum and stuff like that, you take some money off the table. And if he give you another discount, you jump in again, and so on and so forth. But money management is the key to all the play. So play it right, you get it right. Um, okay, let's have a look to the next euro. Some momentum of euro because holding. So far, we kind of like, it's gonna consolidate here until see some weakness in pound. But what I see here, uh, pound USD going up, this pair is gonna go down again. So short play can trade here. We can trade the short side, but not to hold. No, don't trade too big because this pair they don't move much between pound and yeah euro. They don't really move much. So if you look here from this point up to now, we're actually in the range, big box range, about 3 4 weeks, and that's happened here before. As you can see, it's been really slow motion unless something happened, and it's just like heart attack, boom. You know what I mean? It's like it's not moving, it's not moving, it's moving, then heart attack, then it start to move again and on average moving uh, style. So watch out for the end of this month. We have, well, I'm not sure how many days left. We have this the rest until the rest of this week and next week. So we have 1 week and a half, I give, to see some news of Brexit, and we'll see what's gonna do. Just watch it. You don't have to trade it. It doesn't really move much, so it's very slow mover. Unless it's going down, it's good. If it's going up, it's negative swaps. Let's look at pound yen. As you can see, yen, we have some news of yen ongoing, but still really not working out. I'm long here since Friday. My stop loss below the swing, and we're still holding. We have a one red day, which is on Friday when I went in. And I have a Monday green, Tuesday green. Oh, I think I was gonna see that today. I think it's gonna top up here, and Wednesday probably is gonna break higher of this range. Let's see. That's why I think of with my experience of trading, see the chart how they're behaving and pattern basically come up here. Probably is gonna do that, and next day everyone will expect him to go down, but apparently actually go up instead. So I would like to see that day green close here, and I will be keeping that trade still in the play. That's my target, and that's my stop loss. It should be below, but I was like not sure, so I left it here, and we'll see if it continue up or not. Because I know yen is going to be the safe haven of the stock if the stock go down. So the yen is going to go up, and all yen pairs is going to go down. It's going to go down as yen is strong, not go down because yen weak. Because down right hand side of the trade. The mic on? Yeah. No question, guys. Okay, cool. I'm gonna keep going until the end, and after that, I'll call it a day, since there's no questions. And where I've been long here, yeah, I've been long here for a while now, since last week, and so far so good, moving well. I already longed and I went in and out on my MT4 during the day. I don't look here much, so some position that's still here, but I already exit and enter, re-enter again. There's a way I do sometime when I see the day really give me a nice percentage. I just exit the position and wait for pullback and re-enter again. Even if it's my original entry here, I re-enter here. This area, this gap is good for me as a profit. So readjust and re-enter. It's fine. You don't have to marry to the trade until the last point. You can take a break here, exit, re-enter, exit here, re-enter here, go up, exit. If you see that they are actually breaking a nice ground, exit, re-enter back again, and so on and so forth. You know, so you have to kind of like collect. When you grow a tree and see the tree grows, try to take the fruit what's available because it's gonna be more fruit coming in. So that's how it is. Uh, New Zealand, as you see, all pound pairs pushing up for a reason because pounds start getting ready for the end of the month and index as well. Let me go get some water, guys. Just a second. Okay, right. So as you can see, pound really all the pairs are actually pushing up, which is a good thing. But New Zealand, pound New Zealand is still on the box. I'm not really touching it yet until some breakout continuation or break lower continuation because this area can cost you money. You can, if it start to show you some spikes like that, is come back today and do this and start see some red, you can short it down to the range. You can play the range if you want, but for me you have to be like still you have to be kind of watch it. So I'm busy at these days, I'm not watching the forex too much, probably 200 bips range. He can play that range well. It's 200 bips range between here and here, just to confirm it's going down. And if it's going up against you, don't stick around. You only trade in the pullback, and if the pullback it was quick and going back up again, don't hold for it. As soon as it start to move down, trail, trail, trail until it break higher. If you break higher, that's the right trade you're waiting for because it will pull back again, re-enter for a long position, and that's what everyone waiting for. That's the big player waiting for. They don't trade here. They wait for the fight to finish. After the fight finish, show breakout. They take the breakout. They don't take the fight. Okay. CAD, pound CAD as well, shown some momentum here. I'm short on it. I think I should close this trade because I think pound is going to be strong. Um, I'm going to leave that trade as a insurance because I'm long on pound and many different pairs. If they come back up and continue down, it will be great. It's still my target here. That can do that just easy without breaking the bound itself and come back up again because it just didn't come here not to retest this low. This pair behaving that way most of the time. If they don't do high lows or anything, they can only do that double bottom, double tops because they are connected to oil. So oil is related as well. But like New Zealand, like Aussie, they have a really low momentum connected to something else like stock only. But oil keep changing most of the time, so maybe we can see 1 day or 2 days to push the price down here. Oil getting increased in price and see cattle getting strong, come back down, do new small low. You're gonna do just like that, as you can see, small motion like waving. So the next time I can come lower here, I can just trail my stop and I will exit and wait for pullback and wait for continuation. But for me, it's not worth it for me to take a trade here, take the trade out. It's still opportunity for it. My stop loss is here, as also as an insurance ticket for me because I'm long in so many position on pound pairs. So I'm short here pound, so just in case. But I'm sure that we'll see. I'm not sure, or I'm sure it's gonna go down here because we are have a low here. We need at least to go a little bit lower to retest it. Or if it didn't happen, that could be low high. One, two. But overall on the picture, on the bigger picture, if I'm gonna calculate this 1, 2, we should see it coming here, and that's why. Or even more. I actually said the green boxy here, that's the target, but I'm putting my stop take profit right before is 1 to 1. Is not big deal. There's a small position as well on my MT4. And let's go to euro. As you can see, Euro New Zealand is going back up. looks like this channel holding. So if you want to trade it, that's your best trade now, but wait for this to break. You see here is a low. Just to get closer. Okay, let me just remove all these indicators. So you see that we are testing this low at the moment. We have tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, then we pushed. We're coming back again to retest it. This time we're coming back strong. All pan pairs pushing up. So I'm expecting this pair to continue back up, test the high of the channel. Probably is gonna meet up at this area. Then we will see some pullback, halfway range, then for continuation back up. Okay. Um, you guys have any question? No? Okay, cool. I want to speed up a little bit. Just a second. Stay with me just a second, please. Okay, guys. I'll quickly check on here. Let's have a look. Euro is holding just in the range. Pound coming back to the top of the range, which is a good thing, as I said. CAD looking some weakness, but probably can pop up from here. There's a strong volume going on here. And we got Aussie is going down as the stock is going down as well as New Zealand. Swiss showing some momentum up. Yen's showing some momentum up because that's safe haven. So these two kind of green, these two red. So the stock is going down. That's a safe haven up, and USD just kind of like in the range, is not showing any momentum. Just standard by waiting. Um, okay, guys, I'm gonna have to call it here. Do you have any question? Leave me a comment, and I will reply back to you as soon as possible. I'm gonna have to cut the stream short. I've got other things to be look after as a family matter. So I will try to post new ideas as soon as possible today. I'll be back on my desk. You guys have a great day. Take care of yourselves and don't trade crazy. Just stand by, listen to the news uh, because something can happen anytime. Okay, have a great day. Take care. Bye.